Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today we have a treat for you. The classic French pastry that's as delicious as it is beautiful, Mille-Feuille. If you've ever wanted to impress your guests or simply indulge in a decadent dessert, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you love desserts. Now, let's get started. Feast your eyes on this gorgeous Mille-Feuille. Layers of flaky pastry, velvety pastry cream, and a luscious glaze. Trust me, it's worth the effort. To begin our Mille-Feuille journey, we'll start with the heart of the pastry, puff pastry. You can use store-bought, but today, I'll show you how to make it from scratch for that extra touch of homemade goodness. Mix your flour, salt, and water, then fold in the butter. Roll, fold, and chill. Repeat this process until you have those beautiful layers. Once done, cut the pastry into squares and bake until golden brown and puffed. Now, let's move on to the heavenly pastry cream that will elevate our Mille-Feuille. This velvety custard is what dreams are made of. Whisk together egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch. Heat up milk and vanilla bean, then slowly pour it into the egg mixture. Cook until it thickens into a luscious cream. Strain, cool, and your pastry cream is ready to go. Now comes the fun part, assembling our Mille-Feuille. Take your cooled puff pastry squares and layer them with the dreamy pastry cream. Repeat until you have the desired height. Be generous with that pastry cream, folks. Once assembled, let it chill in the fridge for an hour to set. Our Mille-Feuille is almost complete, but we can't forget the finishing touch, a glossy glaze that adds that extra bit of sophistication. Combine powdered sugar, water, and a touch of vanilla to create a smooth glaze. Carefully pour it over the chilled Mille-Feuille, letting it cascade down the sides. Watch that glaze set and shine. And there you have it, our show-stopping Mille-Feuille. Crispy, creamy, and utterly irresistible. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of Mille-Feuille. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to tag us on social media. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy baking! Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep creating and savoring those sweet moments in the kitchen. Bon appétit!